Hello, my name is Ahmad, and I'm part of Team 4, and my rest of my teammates are going to introduce themselves as well.
My name is Steven.
My name is Voon Pham.
Alright, and this is our project. So we've built a Morse code decoder and encoder, and it communicates over Bluetooth to our computer, but it also sends the inputs to the outputs to via text. So this right here is the microphone that takes in the inputs. This is the Bluetooth that allows us to see the inputs as well as the outputs. This is our SIM 800 that allows us to send text messages, and we're using a TVC. And now we're going to demo how it works. So right now we're going to run our code. So it first prompts you by entering your phone number. Steven's going to enter his phone number so that way we can see the text message that's going to be sent. He's going to confirm it. This is the words per minute, so this is the pace at which it's going to take in the Morse code. And now on the TVC, we have two buttons. So this button is to record the input. So I'm now going to record it, and I'm going to play the Morse code that we have. Okay, now when it's finished, I'm going to stop the recording, and as you can see on our console, you can see the "Hello, Dr. Lay. This is a test." And if you look on the phone, we have got the text message of "Hello, Dr. Lay, this is a test." And now I'm going to demonstrate the encoding part of it. So when we push this button, we'll be able to enter a text message and it'll output it to the speaker, or to this buzzer right here. All right. And for the sake of this test, I'm going to input "Hello, Dr. Lay, this is a test." Okay, and that is the output of the encoded message that we inputted on the console. That completes our project and demonstrates everything in terms of functionality.